Today I'm going to make a video on sentiment analysis by using artificial intelligence. You know what is sentiment analysis? This is a technique, AI technique used to determine the emotional tone of a piece of a text such as tweet, review, news article with the help of artificial intelligence. Sentiment analysis can be performed automatically and efficiently on large volume of text data. So if we conclude this one, overall sentiment analysis using artificial intelligence allow for more efficient and accurate analysis of large volume of text data. It is enabling a business and organization to make a data-driven decision based on emotional and attitude expressed in a text. Let's start the coding part. Very simple code. Okay, what is the code here? First of all, we need to import the text blib text blob library. Okay, so now this is the code which is written pre-written by me, and in this code first what we did, I just going to explain you what we did it in this code. First I define a simple text and create a text blob object using text blob function. You can see here, this is our text. We want to analyze this text. Is it a positive text or negative text? So first of all we need to define the simple text. Okay, and the second thing here, create a text blob object. So this is a Python code to create a text blob object and get the sentiment polarity ranging from -1 to 1. So this is the polarity level, so you can define it here and print the sentiment polarity here, sentiment polarity and polarity print. So classify the sentiment as positive, negative or neutral. So you can define it here. If the polarity is greater than 0, then the sentiment can be a positive, and polarity is less than 0, it can be a negative, or in between. If you want to write some more polarity level, you can write it. For the time being, this is a very simple code. Let me run this code and I will explain to you what is this attribute sentiment polarity. Actually, we use this sentiment polarity attribute of the text blob object to get the sentiment polarity, which range from -1, which is the most negative, to 1, which is the most positive. Finally, we classify the sentiment as positive, negative, or you can say in between. You can also say the neutral based on the polarity value. So you can you can write if then else. Okay, you can note this code is just a simple example, and you may need to modify it to suit your specific need and the data. Additionally, you can see here the text blob is a rule-based library, and its accuracy may be as high as other machine learning based approach. And if you need more accuracy and the result, you may consider using some other like the GPT 3.5 turbo, so that can also be used. So let me run this one and you will see the output of this code here. Now let me change the code. Now you can see here the text. I will just change it here. I like this product, so I will say I don't like this product. I don't like this product. It is waste. It is waste. Okay, just I change WASTE, waste. Now we need to check the sentiment analysis of this text, so let it run from here, and now you will see here, you can see the sentiment is negative. So if you want to write here, if you just delete I don't like, I like this product and it is amazing. Now run this code and it will show you the sentiment. You can see the sentiment is positive. So now did you observe here? So this is the way you can do it, and that's all for today, and we will write some more code by using Google Colabs, and we are using this Google Colabs. Okay, please like and subscribe to our channel, and like the video, and inshallah we will wait, we can make some more videos. Thanks for watching, and see you inshallah in next video. Thank you.